Some of you may remember this truck from a previous video where we just did a leveling kit and some 37, 13, 50, 20 Nitto Trail Grapplers. Well, the truck's back today to get a 6-inch lift kit on it, I believe it is. We're gonna be putting some aftermarket wheels with the same size tires. I think it'll look really nice. This is a 2024 Denali Ultimate. See, right now we had to do a slight little bit of trimming right there. Very, very, very unnoticeable. Doesn't really rub right now, but once we put the aftermarket wheels on with the wider, well, the more negative offset, it will definitely rub without a lift kit. So we'll put a lift kit on this one today. Well, we got a truck done, 2024 Denali Ultimate. This one's more of that classic look. It's on some 20-inch Fuel Maverick 2-piece. This is the D260. So a very, very popular wheel back in the mid 2015, 2016 era. It looks really nice on the newer truck to me because you see all these new ones with the 24s, 26s on them. Kind of kicks it back a little bit on this one. I love the big Nitto Trail Grappler tire on there, the 37-inch. Kind of crazy this was the same size tire we had on it with a leveling kit, and that just goes to show how much different the offset of the wheel will be. You'll notice here that the mud flaps are missing on the truck. The tires were hitting. I have ordered a set of mud flap deletes from sharptruck.com for it. That'll look really nice once it's done. I got stopped in the middle of that last clip, but I think I was somewhere right about here telling you about the sharptruck.com mud flap delete kits. The mud flap comes down really low right there, and it just about hits on every tire and wheel setup. It looks very, very similar to this mud flap right here. We're actually ordered a 4-piece kit to replace this with, and they will cut off somewhere right around here. So it really looks factory, and it matches the same color black. So I don't know if I'll be able to put a part 2 together with this truck, but it will be completely stock looking on the fender there once it's done.